The top 6 anti-inflammatory smoothies for seniors to help reduce swelling. Are you tired of feeling like your joints are made of lead? Are you sick and tired of being in pain when you move around? You may be wondering if there's anything you can do about this. What if I told you that drinking smoothies could make all the difference? We understand how frustrating it can be when you have inflammation and swelling, especially if it is slowing you down or keeping you up at night. That's why we want to share with you some simple recipes that will help ease those aches and pains so that you can get back to doing what matters most in life. Stay tuned until the end of this video, as each smoothie has a unique combination of ingredients designed to target different aspects of inflammation. So, grab a blender and let's dive right in. Number 1. Goodbye Swelling Smoothie. Turmeric is an ancient spice that has been used for centuries in India and other cultures for its healing properties. It contains curcumin, a compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. This golden-colored spice can help soothe sore joints and reduce swelling. To make our Goodbye Swelling smoothie, grab 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of berries that could be mixed berries or any of your favorites, 1 tablespoon of organic lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tuck 2 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 tuck 4 teaspoon ground black pepper, and 6 cups of water. Let's blend all these ingredients together and drink up. The fat in the avocado helps your body absorb curcumin better. And don't worry, the smoothie won't taste like dirty socks. The sweetness from the berries and citrus will make it delicious and refreshing. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reducing inflammation. So try to enjoy this smoothie every day for best results. Number 2. Tropical Green Smoothie. Let's head to the tropics for our next anti-inflammatory smoothie. This one is packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients such as pineapple, mango, and spinach. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and aids digestion. Mango is rich in polyphenols, antioxidants that help combat free radicals and reduce inflammation. Spinach is loaded with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and beta-carotene. These nutrients help boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. To make this delicious tropical green smoothie, grab 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of mixed berries, 3 cups of pineapple chunks, 1 cup of chopped mango, 1 cup of baby spinach leaves, 1 tablespoon of organic lemon juice, and 6 cups of water. Blend all these ingredients together and take a sip. You'll feel like you're on vacation in no time. But don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for reducing inflammation because water helps flush toxins out of the body and aids in nutrient delivery to cells. Number 3. Berry Antioxidant Smoothie. Berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. In particular, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries contain anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to reduce joint pain and stiffness. To make our berry antioxidant smoothie, grab 1 cup of mixed berries, 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of organic lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 6 cups of water. Let's blend all these ingredients together and see how it tastes. The secret to reaping the anti-inflammatory benefits of berries lies in their consumption. Enjoy this smoothie daily to reduce swelling and inflammation. Number 4. Citrus Burst Smoothie. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are all excellent sources of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that boosts the immune system and reduces inflammation. Oranges contain a flavonoid called hesperidin, which has been shown to reduce joint pain and inflammation. Grapefruit contains a variety of antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C and flavonoids, which help strengthen blood vessels and reduce inflammation. To make our Citrus Burst smoothie, grab 1 cup of berries, 1 ripe avocado, 1 2 cup of fresh orange juice, 1 4 cup of fresh grapefruit juice, 1 tablespoon of organic lemon juice, and 6 cups of water. Let's blend these ingredients and take a sip. This smoothie is not only delicious and refreshing, but also packed with anti-inflammatory nutrients. Don't wait. Add this smoothie to your daily routine and feel the difference. Number 5. Creamy Dream Smoothie. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds such as sulforaphane. This compound helps reduce inflammation and promote healthy aging. Broccoli contains a variety of antioxidants that help fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. To make our creamy dream smoothie, grab 1 cup of cauliflower florets, 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of organic lemon juice, and 6 cups of water. Let's blend all these ingredients together and drink up. This smoothie is not just a delicious and nutritious way to reduce inflammation, but it also helps you feel full and satisfied. So if you're looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet, this smoothie is a great addition to your meal plan. Number 6. Ginger Zing Smoothie. Ginger is a root vegetable that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains gingerol, a compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger helps reduce joint pain and swelling and aids digestion. To make our Ginger Zing smoothie, grab 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of berries, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric, and 6 cups of water. Let's blend these ingredients together and see how it tastes. We recommend enjoying this smoothie every day to reduce inflammation and swelling. Remember, a healthy diet and lifestyle are crucial for reducing inflammation and swelling. In addition to our delicious smoothies, it's important to prioritize your overall health by staying active, managing stress, and getting enough sleep. If you're looking for additional tips on reducing inflammation and swelling, check out our blog for more resources. We have a wealth of information on topics such as nutrition, fitness, and wellness. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to improve your health and well-being. So don't wait another day to start taking control of your health. Try these delicious smoothies and you'll be on your way to feeling better in no time. Thank you for watching and see you next time.